In this video, we are going to cover an important topic of grammar, that is compound sentence. So what is a compound sentence? A compound sentence is a sentence that contains at least two independent clauses and are connected to each other by using coordinating conjunction. So in this sentence, what is the independent clause? Independent clause is a clause that makes sense on its own, means it contains subject and verb, and it can stand alone as a separate sentence. Another important thing we need to form a compound sentence is that both the independent clauses are connected to each other by using coordinating conjunction, semicolon, or conjunctive adverb. We can use both type, that is the coordinating conjunction and conjunctive adverb, to form a compound sentence. What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. You can also use acronym FANBOYS to remember these coordinating conjunctions. And the conjunctive adverbs are however, anyway, meanwhile, etc. So first, compound sentence example by using conjunction for. I have to find a new job, for I left my old job. In this sentence, for means because and suggests why I have to find a new job. Using for is a little bit of old style English and is not very common nowadays. Another example is we went to picnic, for it was a nice day. Here, it was a nice day is the reason we use for before the independent clause. Next is by using conjunction and. I can play the guitar and my sister can sing. Here, both sentences are independent and in this sentence show the addition of two activities. Same is in the case of example, John is playing football and Mary is watching TV. Another compound sentence by using conjunction nor. We have never been to Canada, nor have we ever been to Australia. Here, nor is used to connect two clauses or sentence that has an established negative tense. You can use nor without using any other negative term. Same is the case in another example, we never comes to practice, nor does he listen to the coach. Here, the independent sentence after nor means he does not listen to the coach. These are two negative sentences. Next is by using conjunction but. He tried his best, but he could not get a job. The conjunction but is used to show contrast in a sentence. The second sentence clause suggests a contrast that is unexpected in the light of the first sentence, such as in another example, the bus overturned but no one was hurt. Next is by using conjunction or. You can work hard or you can fail. She is going to the movies or she is going to the mall. So, or is used to connect two or more possibilities or alternatives. Next is by using conjunction yet. He studied very hard, yet he failed the test. Here, yet is used to show unexpected or surprising happened. He abused me, yet I forgave him. Next is by using conjunction so. So indicate result or cause. It is time for rest, so let us return home. Here, sentence after so indicate the result of the first action. So is the opposite of because. If we have to form a sentence with because, this sentence become let us return home because it is time for rest. It is midnight, so you should sleep. Then is by forming compound sentence by using semicolon. Sometimes we join independent clause by only use semicolon, such as the sky is cloudy, it is going to rain. You can pay online, we accept all major credit cards. Next is the compound sentence with conjunctive adverb, such as however, anyway, meanwhile, likewise, otherwise, and many more. You have to complete the task, otherwise, you will have to face the consequences. Here we use the conjunctive adverb otherwise. Next example is Spider-Man is famous movie, however, I have not seen it yet. This is also a kind of a compound sentence. We use the conjunctive adverb however in the sentence. So this is all about the compound sentence. Thanks.